Moo. Moo. Twister. What are you doing? You talk to me? You talk. Oh, really? Talk. Hey, you talk to Aunt Mary? You talk to Aunt Mary? What you doing this morning? What you doing this morning? Hey, what you doing today? What's you doing? Hey, Macy Elizabeth, what you doing? Hey, silly. Hey, talk to Aunt Mary. We'll talk to Aunt Mary this morning. Tell me. Yeah, tell Aunt Mary about it. Tell me about it. What's you doing today?